Today I'm going to draw Kakashi from Naruto. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to make a circle. When you make your circle, then you're gonna make a line down, line across, and then you're going to make this chin. And this is the beginning. Okay, once we have this part, then right above here we're going to make a straight line that goes like this and that goes like that, and right close to the head right here, the top of the head. I'm gonna make this thing. Okay. After that, we are going to make these on both sides. And then we are going to create this line that goes out and then up, out, and it comes to half of the ear. I would also start making the neck. Just hug the side right here, and then right here you're gonna hug, make like a smaller line right here. It's starting to look like a face already. Next, we're gonna take right here this section and we're gonna do like 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. And really you're gonna keep these 2. But the distance between the eyes had to be the distance of 1 whole eye. Okay, so altogether it's like 5 eyes. So this is pretty close right here. So right now they look like almond eyes. Right here we're gonna make this mark, and then we're gonna connect these to this. Check it out. And then these to this. Nice and easy, easy peasy. Okay, we're gonna take the top of the eye right here and the top of this eye right there, starting to create an expression. Okay. And right here. Okay, now we're starting to change this just a hair. And this is not a full circle. This is almost like a half circle. Okay. You see it? It's like a half circle. And then right here, we're going to use this part to make this little mark, and then make this mark, and then make, it's almost like a sailboat right here, and then goes in, out, here, and out. And we're also gonna add some detail to the ears. Start to clean out some of these lines, just a little bit. I can still see right here. And I can still see right here. But now I see a line going in. I still want this line right here. And I still want this line right here. See this right here? I'm gonna make like a little mark out and in like this. Okay. And it closes in, it touches. And on this side, I'm gonna make a letter C. And then I'm gonna have this come in and out like that. Okay. And that's the ear. We're little by little putting in a little bit of the, hold on, a little bit of the details. So we want to add some detail right here. Watch this. Okay, these comes out like so. It touches the eyes. It curves right here. It goes a little bit higher, not quite up to there, right here, and then it curves. Let's see right here. Okay, so far so good. Adding more detail little by little. Okay, now we still have this part. Actually, it's right here. And then right here. That's going to be important, so make sure you make those lines. Now we're going to add the symbol, which is a circle. Okay, eyeball it. And then I'm going to clean it up. My circle. And then there's a line that goes across it. I do have this mark, but this right here is like it's like this. It's like a wave, and you still have this part, and it connects to this part, and it's pointy. It has this mark, and it's very clearly defined that it goes like that, like a wave. Now the next part, we're gonna go right here where the eyes are. See it right there? And right here. Watch this. And right here where the eyes are. And we're gonna make like these half circle. Okay, keep it soft because these are gonna get erased. And now I'm gonna make some of these marks. So I'm gonna make this mark right here. Pay attention. Then another mark right here. Paying attention. Then right here, you're gonna get like a sideburn. So it goes like this and like that. Down here. In. Out, in, out. On this side, we're gonna have some in, out, and right here another sideburn, and it begins right here. Okay, let me make sure. Right there, we still have these. It comes from there. From here. I'm gonna make a line right here that goes into this a little bit and then out. All right, then we're gonna make some of these lines right here and make a line right here. Make another line right here, and then make a line right here. on this side, we're gonna take this and we're gonna make a line. Right here, then another line right here. Then another line right here. Okay, and a line that comes out. Very nice. All right, it's time for the crazy hair. Let's go ahead and do some crazy hair. So right here, we're gonna have a little bit of hair coming out. And then 1, 2, 3, tiny hair. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And he sort of comes to here, out, in, and then I'm looking at the top, and we get here, out, in, and then out to here, and then into here. Very nice. Okay, still working on this. Oh, there's more detail for our hair. Let's see. Okay, got all of that. Wow. Layers and layers of detail. So now in here, we're gonna add some more detail. Hair's coming in and out. 1, 2, 3, then 4, then in, out, in, out, in, then up, and then get this one in, out, in. Okay, let's see, out. And then we get like a second layer. All right, so now I'm gonna start cleaning up some of these stuff, just a little bit. So right here, there's the line. There's 1, 2, 3 little circles. There are some stitches or something that go here. Okay. And I think there's more hair right here. No. It's like we have this hair. You don't see any of this anymore. And then here we have the edge of the mask, and we see, hold on. It's like it comes from there, but it comes out to here. Very good. And then you see like the 1 and the 2. And continue. Now this line comes out, and this is here, and then this line comes here, and then over here there's like this, has like a scar. And then this gets to be darker. This gets to be darker. And this gets to be shaded to here. Okay, I'm losing light fast here. All of this here gets to be black. All of this here gets to be black. And this gets to be black. This gets to be black. Very nice. And then this down here gets to be black. It's a shadow. This gets to be erased. This gets to be erased. And let's see. Okay, very nice. This gets to be erased right here. And this gets to be erased. This gets to be erased. Oh, come on. All right, and this is how you draw Kakashi from Naruto. Okay. And this is dark right here. Mean look in his face, but he's not mean. Okay, so the last step on this is to clean up some of the drawing marks, and then you're done. Okay, there you go.